Viewing slideshow. Slideshow view is the full screen view of your presentation in the way your audience will see it. To view a slideshow, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Slideshow tab. 2. Click from Beginning. You can view your presentation in different views. Normal view. It is a default view where you can create and edit slides. Outline view. It allows you to view the outline structure of the presentation and allows you to edit slides. Slide sorter view. It allows you to view all slides of a presentation as thumbnails on a single screen. Reading view. It allows you to view a presentation not in full screen but in a window with simple controls that make the presentation easy to review. The ribbon and the slides or outline pane are not visible. Presentation views. Normal, outline view, slide sorter, notes page, reading view. To view your presentation in different views, first click on the View tab, then select the desired view option from the Presentation Views group.